Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to know how to change language on the Amazon, first open up the application. Now from here, you could just simply select the person icon on the bottom. As you can see, it is currently waving. So tap on that waving person. And from here right away, you should be able to see here the flag icon on the top right corner of the screen. So tap on that. And now from here, you should be able to see here country/region, and you should be able to see language. So tap on the language icon. Now from here, you should be able to see all of the languages available in your location. And if you scroll down further, you should be able to see all of the other options that are available. And once you have selected a specific language, as you can see, it will automatically be applied, and from here you could just simply select done down below to change it. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.